Hi friends, welcome to my Gemstone deal channel. Today again with interesting video, very informative and very useful for everybody who want to travel abroad and he feels some problems, he feels some fears in his mind and he cannot travel alone and there is no encouragement, no any kind of you can say broad-mindedness and person feeling fear and hesitation during traveling. So if you want to do a safe travel, you could have to wear this very nice stone that is known as citrine. You will be amazingly know that the stone will help you. Any kind of problem can eradicate, any kind of obstacle in your way will be eradicated, and so you will could be able to do your safe journey, your safe travel. So this stone is most traditional and ancient protection stones in use today. It is said to be repel negative energy and offer protection from psychic and unseen attack. And citrine is reported to be especially protection of travelers, offering them protection from thieves. So guys, you can see if you are any feeling any dodge, any thieves, you could be able to save during journey, and your travel will be safe even in the country, within the country or in abroad. So guys, this amazing video is I think will be very useful for you if you wear this kind of stone. And this stone is citrine. You can check in video the size. I will tell you about the size and the price. Size should be 8 to 10 carat in ring, and if you want to wear a pendant, then about 20 carat is enough for you in pendant, and the price should be 8 to 10 carat piece, like $5 to $6, and 20 carat piece should be uh, about 10 to $15. The good one piece, a clear piece, nice color, you can buy this stone in this price. And guys, if you like this video, please share, and please subscribe to my channel. I already many times asked you that you could be able to get my all new uploaded videos in time. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.